Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Mike Akerede, aka Also Mike. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up an account on Tradingview. All right, Tradingview is a platform where you can practice your trading skills. All right, until you get better at trading. So this is a series on how you can use TradingView.com. All right, but in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how you can set up your account on TradingView. Of course, I'm going to be making another video on how you can set up your trading demo account. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to find your way to tradingview.com. Of course, I'll be leaving a link to sign up on, of course, my affiliate link. So I'll be leaving it in the description section of this video. So make sure you go there and use that link to sign up. Why? Of course, when you decide to upgrade your account to their premium, of course, you get some discounts, and I also get this commission for showing you how to use tradingview.com. I think that's fair enough. All right, guys. So let's get started. Okay. So the first thing is when you click on that link in the description section of this video, you will get here. And from this place, the first thing you want to do is to sign up. And how do you sign up? You can see there's a get started button here where I'm hovering on. So click on get started. All right. So from there, um, the next thing is you can see. Let me move this one down. So you can see sign up here, right? But that is not where you're going to click. So come here where I'm hovering on here. So as you can see, now you can see a profile icon here. So click on this profile icon, all right? Then you can see sign in, right? So don't worry about it, just click on sign in, all right? Now when you click on sign in, it takes you to this page, right? As you can see here, it says sign in, but since you want to sign up, what you're going to do is to come down here and click on sign up, all right? So click on sign up, okay? So you can see immediately I click on sign up, we change the sign in to sign up. So you can either sign up with your Google, your Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, of course you should have it, or you can sign up with email. So assuming I want to sign up with email now, right? So I'm just going to click on email and type in email and password and create account. You understand? Of course, once you've created your account, a link is going to be sent, confirmation link is going to be sent to your email. So make sure you check it out and click on it so that you can be sure to start using. Then once you're done with that, once you're registered, just come back to sign in here and click on sign in. From there, then you can see sign in. So you can now sign in with your email or with your Gmail. So in my own case, it's Gmail. So I click on that Gmail to sign me in, and I'm going to be in a moment. So you can see now it's asking me which of these do I want to use. So I'm going to click on this first one that I'm using. All right, it's pretty simple, straightforward. All right, and as you can see, I'm already in. Can you see that now, guys? So how do you proceed from here? It's very simple. You don't need all these ones, right? So just come here, come to market, all right? If you want to trade, come to market and come to crypto, right? Then you can click on Bitcoin just to at least get to the trading view, the main view, you get the point. So, and once you're here, just scroll down a little bit. Now you're going to see all these things here. Let me move this one down. So all you need to do is from this place, just click on this candlestick here. This candlestick logo icon that I'm clicking on. So click on it. All right, to change this line to, you can see, let me click on it so you get to know what I'm saying. So you can see this is a line graph. You understand? The line chart, right? Then this is the candlestick chart. So I prefer candlestick. So just click on. Let me untick this and leave this. Yeah. So once you're done here, the only thing you want to do now is to expand it by clicking on this launch full chart view. And ladies and gentlemen, so I have clicked on the launch the full chart view, and ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be in the full chart of Tradingview, and we are almost there. I think it's my network. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we are now in the full chart of tradingview.com. So, ladies and gentlemen, the next thing you want to learn how to do now is to set up your demo trading account on Tradingview. And you're going to find the link of that one in the description section of this video, or at the end of this video, or around this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this video is helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so you can watch all the series, all my series I'm going to be creating on how you can use TradingView platform. All right. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.